We are in Belcara Regional Park to do crabbing, hiking, picnic, fishing with Oying. Ayaw magsalita niya, hindi daddy.
We're ready.
We're locked in.
Locked in.
Ready to go.
So yeah, see you guys.
Sa background si TJ. Si TJ ang sa background. Okay. Iyan na namin.
Maganda close up.
Bibidyo ni ano, bibidyo ni yan.
Ayan, ganda. Hello, TJ. Naglaro si Elijah, oh.
That way, kuya. Oh shoot. So yeah, that one.
Diyan kami. Ano namin yung traps. Yan. Sige, video.
Moist that bicep.
Yes.
Those shoulders.
Shoulders,
No,
biceps.
No, I'm just doing this like. Oh yeah, you can do it like that. Yeah, then now you.
I'm starting to record. Just say anything. Say something. Say something.
We're trying to see stuff in the water.
Yes. Oh, I will tell you guys. We can also see a sea lion here. If we're
What?
Yes, a sea lion.
Sea lions are scary.
We see sea lions here.
You mean seal or sea lion?
Sea lions. We
Sea lions
can
are so scary.
just watch for the head, the nose. I hope we're lucky to
Sea
see
lions are
them.
predators. They're so scary.
Okay, how fast can this motor go?
Okay,
Seals
I'll
are
go to
safe.
the fastest. This is the fastest.
Ready?
This is the fastest.
Can you? I know, Kuya. Stop trying to terrify me.
No, because I'm terrified right now.
This is the fastest.
No one cares. So he says it's so calm. Oh, did you know this?
The
sea lions again. No, we don't want to see them. Wait, where? No, like somewhere there, or like even under rocks. Okay, stop scaring me.
Because I'm scared. I'm just like saying out loud.
Why are you scared, Kuya?
Sea lions are vicious predators.
Oh, you're scared of sea lions? I thought with the waves.
Oh, no.
Sea lions are
Oh, seals are the ones that are safe though.
Seals are safe. Sea lions are not that safe.
Seals are big and they don't eat humans exactly, but like if you come near them, they will attack.
Do you want to go to the other island? Go straight there.
Sure.
We can.
Yeah, let's go to the other island.
But we will.
Crab trap. Go. Fast. Really fast. Go. 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 You're doing a good job. Continue. Keep going. Keep going. More.
Almost there.
Go. 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 Sige, go. You have to continue pulling,
I got it.
or else
I think I'm getting
go closer. Go closer. Closer.
Matthew.
Don't step back. This is your head.
Look at your catch. Look at your catch.
There, pull
Go.
it. It's already there. Get it.
Look at your catch.
Get closer. There,
Closer,
Hold
closer.
it from there.
There you go.
We can keep the red. We can keep the red. Ay, babae nga.
Look how much you put.
Tingin nga. Hindi na. Woo! Experience na. So, yeah.
They're escaping, Aaron. Don't let them escape. I promise.
Your catch. Your catch. Your catch. Here's your catch. Get closer. Get closer.
Get a picture.
I won't let them bite you. Come on. Closer. Closer.
Go sit beside Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Oh. Mm.
Okay, hurry.
Do you want to undersize ito? Undersize. Susukatin ko to. I will measure. Let's measure din para makita niya mag-measure.
Alright, hurry, take a picture before they run away.
Closer. Go closer. Then here. No, it won't. I won't let him bite you. Put your hand here.
I want to hold one, but I don't.
Put your hand there. Your whole hand. Press it there. There. Good. Good. Good.
Don't put your hand in your mouth, okay?
Oh no, yeah, but it's ano naman yan, clean. It's salt water.
Hard shell.
Na-touch mo. Good. Na-touch mo. Do you want to touch it more? Kasi we will release it. Para
All of them?
yeah. Oh, we will kunya
I don't want to touch it. Stop it.
sample measure natin.
Stop it.
Nasaan yung Canadian? Baka nga pasado. Nasaan may Canadian? Ito. Check.
In the
Nandito
ocean?
Canada. Pwede.
What? They're dead.
Konti.
They're already dead?
No, they're alive.
Pwede yan.
When they're alive.
Ito lang, pakita lang natin na tinapo. Do you want to release, Aaron? Do you want to put it back? Yes, you can.
All of them. Should we put
Because that's your catch.
They're too small. They have a
Yes.
law here that you can only.
Do you want to?
Oh, yeah.
Or I'll do it.
Even that one's too small.
Yes. Yes, this one. This one we can.
Ooh, I want to
We
pick
can,
one up.
we can. This one.
Put it back in the ocean.
Akin ako yan. Give me
Should we
that.
put all of them back into the ocean? No.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers.
I'll do it.
Kasi
Go there and throw it.
I'll do it.
wala na. Namatay yung GoPro.
It's okay, Aaron. Just take a picture. Be fast.
Nagbibideo ako, nagbibideo. No, not that way. This way, yeah, that. Press the crab.
Okay.
Press with your hand.
It's dead now.
And then
Not dead, not
grab
dead
it,
right
grab it. Not that way. Here, this way. Okay, go. Grab it from the back. And then throw it.
Yeah.
Good.
Come on,
Good.
grab it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You just said.
Another one.
No.
Another one.
I thought, oh.
Okay, your turn. Hold on.
Oh, kung sino naman gusto.
I'm not gonna touch a crab ever again.
Why?
Elijah, do you want to?
Oh, yeah.
What if that's the mom of that crab and that mom's gonna get
But the
killed?
side-
Oh my
the
gosh!
Here,
get
here,
it,
at the
get
back.
it, get it!
At the back, like this. It won't bite you, promise. It cannot bite you because if you're holding it at the back.
Throw it.
Yeah.
Wait, that's even that.
Wait. Oh shoot. What the?
Even that's too.
Good job, you're doing good job. Does it feel heavy? Wow, we have a catch. For sure we have a catch. It feels heavy.
I saw one.
Come on, Riley.
Yeah, good. Go closer, go closer.
You gotta starve it.
Ang laki! Oh. Kuya Isaac is a good, good in fishing. Isaac, good job. Tatanggalin mo yan, ano? O you don't wanna reset na. Reel mo. Oh, Aaron got a fish. Caught a fish, I mean. Yun. Ay, pala.
How do I get this in?
O, reel mo. Reel it in.
Reel it in, how you reel it.
Picture? Oh, here. Ayan, I'm taking lots. Hindi. Ano, Ying, nilagyan ko lang talaga.
Bamboo style lang.
Oh, bago.
Good job, Aaron. You finally caught one.
Yes, good job.
It's not broken. It's not displayed.
Oh, just so pull up lang, pull up.
Instead of real. Yeah.
Instead of reel because
Did they caught a fish?
yes. Go here.
So, how do I know that? How do I know that there's hooking up?
Put the point. Press the 0.5 there.
Go, Mama.
Yeah, it's recording.
Ito, pagka binaba ako,
Oh, magano yan? Agis. Ooh, they caught another one. Pero dali, nag-video siya.
Oh, none.
Pero kanina. Si Cheng, sanay na niyan eh. Tuturuan ka ngayon ni Cheng.
Nice.
Yan, yung road. Ngayon lang kami nakapinti. Ngayon lang pala ako nakapinti. There's a deer. Cross. 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 There's another one. Cross. Cross.